Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a VEVOR Ultrasonic cleaner, and this is basically the box that it ships in. So let's open it up, see what we get inside, and try it out. Recording this in my bathroom because I have an easy access to some water supply here rather than my regular studio, but I figure, this will work. So stay tuned. Okay, so opening the box, we have your manual. So let's open that up, take a quick look. I guess that's the front of it. So, and it will go over basically how to use it, some tips, tricks, operational. So, there's a lot to it. So definitely read through that. And then we open it up. That is a little bit bigger than I had expected. Let's get this box out of the way. So opening up the inside. So that is basically, so I don't know if you can see that too well, but there's max and a minimum to fill that tray up with water and cleaning solution. So you get like a small little basket for like rings and stuff, so that's pretty handy. So this is your kind of like your dunk basket. They can keep it in there and they get it out, just kind of like grab it from either side, and that pulls out pretty easy. And again, you can kind of see where the max mark is through the little grates in there. And then this is your power cord. So let's open this up. And then that plugs in right in the back like this. And then you basically just plug it into your outlet. But before that, we're going to fill it up really quick before we plug it in. So I like using kind of like warm water. And then we'll just fill that just about to the max mark. So to kind of give you a little bit of an idea of how deep that water is. Now we'll plug it in, and basically you'll see how that comes on. And then on the left side is your time, so you can hit that for however long you want to run that for, and then that turns it on and off. So pretty easy. And then obviously I've used this cleaner a lot, but the Ultrasonic stuff, and what I do is I basically just kind of like take a cap full, not even a cap full, probably about half a cap full, and pour that into your water, and that's all that you need. And that just like really helps that clean really well. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use my glasses, since they get some dirt and stuff on the earpieces in there. So I'm just going to fold them down like that. I'm going to put them in a solution, and let me get the camera right on top of that so you can see exactly what happens. So on this, again, set the timer. And then we'll hit the start button. I can hear the buzzing noise going on. And you can see those bubbles. We'll let that run for a cycle, and then we'll be right back. So, okay, so a couple seconds left, and I'm trying to see the difference in the water. It's gotten a little cloudy from how dirty, and all the shut off, so that's neat. So basically these are done, and what I do is I usually give them a rinse under some warm water to kind of get like the cleaning solution and stuff off of it. and then basically just blot that dry, but kind of give you a close-up. You can see how there's some green corrosion stuff that was there and some dirt, but they are completely clean. And let's just blot that dry, and we're off to our next thing, which I'm going to use a gold chain to show you how that cleans this up. So I have this gold chain. I basically wear it every day, all day, and that gets really dirty. So what we are going to do is we're going to set the timer on, start that, and you'll see the bulb's working. Not only that, you'll see all the dirt coming off that chain. Like I said, every day. Look out, shower with it on, sleep with it on, and you can already kind of see how the spark might left back again. How it's getting that luster back to it. All right, let's get how cloudy that water is. And again, auto stop, and then that is the chain. We'll pull it out, and you can see how. Let me get it better, but you can see how a lot more shiny that is. And again, just rinse it under some warm water. Get the soap and the cleaner off of it, and then look how that shines. Big difference. Gets all that oil and dirt stuff off there. Anyway, right from Garage Mahal, when you're all done, make sure that you unplug it from the back. Easier said than done with one hand. Let me try to get a little balance in there. All right, so make sure you unplug it. And then what you're doing is you're pouring the water in there, and you can see kind of how like gray and dirty that water got. And then just give it a quick rinse. And then let it air dry before you close the lid and put the wires and stuff back there. You know, probably like overnight or something, it'll dry for you. But that's it. Put everything away. Put your wires in after it's dry, and you're good to go. Right from Garage Mahal with your VEVOR eyeglass and jewelry cleaner. Be safe out there.